Hey, all right. So today we're going to be going into Dollar Tree to see what they have for school supplies. Yes, I said school supplies because they have them out. Right when you first walk in, they have these cute little organizers, which I think are so cute. Some have a print on it, some don't have a print on it, but they have those nice summer colors. And then these little organizational caddies, they have them in a small size, and then they have them in a bigger size. You'll be able to find those in multiple colors. At my Dollar Tree, the bigger one was only in one color or two colors at my Dollar Tree. But at yours, you might be able to find more colors. And then, of course, they have all the little pens and markers and crowns and different things that you might want. So they have the washable markers. They have them in different sizes. So you'll be able to get different, points for coloring and different things like that. Different type highlighters. They have several packs. They have single ones. They have dry erase markers and singles. They have just so many things right now out for back to school. In my area, it's not really back to school time at all. I know in the southern areas, they do go back to school a little bit earlier, but we don't go back here until September. So it's interesting to see the things out, but they have, these things are great just all the time if you have young kids to help them practice writing and drawing and just getting, hand-eye coordination together. Those type things are great. But like I said, they have so many cute school supplies. I'm loving the little prints. They have the avocado print on a clipboard. They have another one. So you can get all these things to coordinate because the little dinosaur print there, they had it in notebooks and stuff like that. They have these little desk organizers. If you want something plain, they have the plain clipboard. They have these 70 sheet wired notebooks. They have this one, that's another 70 sheet, and again, that goes with the other clipboard. They have index cards. They have just so many cute things. Those little notebooks, I love to carry those around just to write things. So not even just for back to school supplies. They have these little notebooks and they are cute and bright with the colors. So I do like the colors. A lot of them though, like I said, are kind of that summer colors that they have right now. So there's a lot of pastels and different things. I'm thinking because it's summertime, I'm not sure if they're going to put out different colors as the season goes on, but this is what they have right now. They had this, it stuck up, but there was a sticker on the back, so I don't know if that's why it wasn't staying. So I don't know how strong that is, but if the kids want to organize their lockers, they have little pieces for that. They have chalks, they have glue, they have glue sticks. You can see this glue stick is, I don't know if last year was a 4, but this year is an 8-pack for the $1.25. So they have, Scotch tape, more markers. Like they have so many options in writing tools, from pens, like I said, markers, crowns. These crowns I thought were cute. They have glitter crowns and they have neon crowns. I didn't want to take them out to try them, but I really do want to see how they look, like how they perform. If you have them, let me know, because I want to know how they perform, because that was just interesting to me. Like I said, so many different sets of pens, from the gel pens, different things. They have, like I said, Sharpies. They had this big old marker here. I don't know for what reason you would need a permanent marker that big, but it was big. I wish you could see it in person. But if you need one, they have it. They have protractors. They have, this is a pencil sharpener, but then it has the little erasers in it. So you'll get a pack of erasers basically and a sharpener. You can get a double pack of scissors, and they have them in different colors. A bigger set of scissors, push pins, labels. They have some sparkly books, like if you want a little notebook, calculators, rubber bands, Post-it notes. Like I said, they have a lot of the things you will need for back to school supplies. So if like if you're in an area like mine where the kids don't even have their list yet, not even close, but if you know generally what they might need, you can go and grab you some stuff now. This is another one for organizing in your locker, which I thought was cute. They had the cactus, and then they had the strawberry, and you could put little things in the cork. They had these little backpacks. I wouldn't put a book in there, but maybe to carry something. It was about the size of like a hand and a half. They were kind of thin, but they have backpacks. They have these other little bags there. They had even these lunch bags, and they looked insulated. So It might keep your food, and they had it in the cute little colors. They were lightweight, but they had insulation in them. They have the dividers for the things. These little pencil boxes I thought were cute because, again, they're in the cute little pastel colors, which I think are so cute right now. Then they even have printer paper. I'm not sure if I've ever seen this printer paper before, but they have little printer paper. They have the 1 inch. They had the 1 inch binders at my Dollar Tree. I don't know. I didn't see it bigger than the 1 inch binder. So if your child needs that, you might not be able to find it. They had this little folder, which I thought was cute because it folded and had the pockets on both sides and then still one in the middle. They had this bigger organizer right here, so you can get all organized. Your kid can get organized if they stay in a single desk all day. They had just so many little things. I think some of the things were out of place, like, the photo paper, stuff like that. I think it just belonged in the office section. But the folders were so cute and vibrant, like to me they were, and they were with the double pockets. So you get a pocket on each side. And I know sometimes when you get the list, like, you need certain folders. So I think most of the time it's always with the double-sided. These little notebooks came with 100 sheets in them. So the more sheets, the better for me, because I like, as much. So you don't have to keep restocking, and just showing more of the cute little folders. And if you can see, I don't know if you can see, they have the holes in them, so you can put them in the binder, and you can use them to separate stuff too. So if you wanted to do that, this little idea book, I got one of these for myself because a good book is good, and I like a little good book to jot down things in. But they had a few different ones, and they had a decent amount of paper in them, little pencil holders, and they slid out quite nice because I did that one-handed. I opened it, slid it out, quite nice, and they had it in a few different colors. They have the composition notebooks. I always call them marble notebooks, but the composition notebooks, and they had them in the cute colors, but it's just like, your basic composition notebook. And you can get that now at the Dollar Tree. Like, the Dollar Tree always had composition notebooks, but I think the colors this season are super cute. So if you want, grab you some of those. And then you can see the basic ones here. I feel like you see it just has like the red, the blue, the green in the sections. Didn't they used to just do like the whole thing colored? I don't know if I'm crazy, but I feel like it used to be the whole thing was colored, not just that section. This notebook, 100 sheets in it, and these are just 2 good gold notebooks. So if you want to jot down if you want like a little journal or something like that, that might be cute to grab. And then these are not school supplies, but you might need them for school. You see, they are BPA free, freezer safe, but you can put little condiments, things for your kid lunch, hair bows, hair ties. I have a lot of girls, and back to school comes with all of the clothes too, and different things like that. So hair accessories are a great thing to get from the Dollar Tree because they have so many options, and like the headbands and the scrunchies, they're just getting so much better. And for $1.25, tissues, if you can't find tissues anyplace else, you get 66 here, a little box of tissues, hand sanitizers, and wipes, sanitizer wipes, which are great because kids have a lot of germs on them, so that's just great. And then of course you can always go to the office supplies section, and they're going to have stuff there too. So even if you're not in the back to school section, you're always going to be able to find office supplies, different things that you can grab for back to school in the office section at the Dollar Tree, and you'll be able to get some supplies there too for back to school. So they have the basic stuff that you need. They have some cute stuff. They have the pencils, they have the colored pencils, they have cute little sharpeners, things like that. This little pen was cute. It was the only one left. They had more of the little caddies, and they had them in more bright neon colors here. Desk organizers, more of the printer paper. So if you're looking to print something out, and customize it, more composition notebooks and different prints. So just so many different little things. This is good to put in your binder because it has the 3 holes, and you can put the pencils and different things in there. More notepads, just, so many things to always in the office section. So if your back to school supplies at your Dollar Tree are not out right now, just head over to this section and you might be able to find something.